Our Al Peffley is reporting that officials fear that this could be what they believe is an alarming sign that meth use is on the rise there.
Sheriff detectives made 2 arrests involving trafficking in meth in one night. The events that led to one of the arrests started here outside this convenience store in Jensen Beach. They say to have 2 arrests in one night like this is a red flag that meth use may be on the increase.
The person who's using it and thinks they can control it is actually playing with a tiger, and they can't control it.
This week, sheriff's detectives showed us the photos of the methamphetamines they took off the street in Martin County. About $2,400 worth of meth, a highly addictive, dangerous drug. And they arrested 2 men in 2 separate cases just hours apart. 57-year-old James Morris of Jensen Beach, charged with trafficking in meth and possession of meth. They say Morris threw cash and drugs from his car before he was caught. And also arrested in a separate case, 34-year-old Miguel James Luviano of West Palm Beach, who's facing several charges, including trafficking in meth. Tuesday night, James Luviano caused a hit-and-run crash and then fled on foot. And here he is, shown covered in dirt, where he was finally caught with the help of a canine.
It doesn't surprise me that we've made 2 arrests in such close proximity, because we know it's here.
The sheriff says they're seeing an increase in meth use.
The drug takes their soul and their spirit and crushes them, and then crushes them physically.
It's very hard to get off of it, I think, in a lot of ways, because people want to feel that sense of happiness, right?
Molly May, interim executive director of Retreat Behavioral Health, a drug treatment facility in Palm Springs, feels meth use may be on the increase, partly due to the COVID-19 pandemic. People are out of work and have more time on their hands. And also, meth is less expensive than opioids.
It creates this massive rush that people really then start to crave, and it becomes very uncontrollable very quickly.
The sheriff says in these 2 latest arrests, the meth is believed to be coming into South Florida from Mexico.
Clearly, we're seeing it here in Martin County, and we're going to redouble our efforts to try to keep it out of here. Of all the drugs that are out there, and there are so many that are dangerous, methamphetamine has proven through the years to be the most deleterious that's out there. It wrecks people's lives.
What are they doing about it?
We don't expect we can eliminate it completely, but what we're doing is we're focusing our efforts on distributors.
We may not have heard the last of this. The sheriff says they're working on other cases now that he can't discuss that involve even larger amounts of meth. In Jensen Beach, Al Peffley, CBS 12 News.